Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a lower control arm on a Nissan Versa. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface. You will need a jack stands, a socket set, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always use proper personal protective equipment. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the front wheel, but do not remove them yet. Then, safely lift the vehicle and secure it with jack stands. With the vehicle securely on jack stands and the wheel removed, you can begin the removal process. First, disconnect the sway bar end link from the control arm. Next, carefully separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle. This often requires a ball joint separator tool. Finally, unbolt the two main mounting bolts that secure the control arm to the subframe. Be prepared for some resistance, as these bolts can be tight. Now it is time to install your new lower control arm. Carefully position the new arm into the subframe mounting points and loosely install the bolts. Do not fully tighten them yet. Next, reattach the ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it is seated correctly. Finally, reconnect the sway bar end link. Once all components are in place, tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety and proper function. After installing the new control arm, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Nissan Versa. Before driving, perform a thorough visual inspection to ensure all bolts are tightened and components are properly seated. It is highly recommended to get a professional wheel alignment immediately after this repair. This ensures proper tire wear and vehicle handling. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.